Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate in Photoshop. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So I have already added an object that we're going to rotate. You will see blue lines around the object. And if you take the cursor on these small rectangles, then you can increase and decrease the size of this arrow. But if you want to rotate just anywhere on the screen, but not on these little rectangles, and you will see the icon change. Now rotate anywhere you want. But let's say you have already rotated, but now you want to rotate again, just do Control T, and now you can rotate again. Let's add an image and rotate it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and what.
The same goes for the text. That's how you can rotate in Photoshop. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you want to know how to create a rectangle in Photoshop, then watch this video. Thanks for watching.
You never said you felt that way, and guess you're trying to stay strong.